Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
How are you, Habibi?
Fine.
I don't know where I'm going to, but
Asman, Sharjah, Dubai.
no, Dubai, only here. Before I come to Dirham, so I don't know. You have a connection? Give me a share Wi-Fi. I share that. I share location.
Okay.
I open driving license file.
Hmm?
Yeah. So first test.
Hmm.
First test. How many minutes take?
20 minutes. You computer test, huh? 20 minutes. You have the stick. You not this one.
This one. This one.
This have been important. This signal. You reading. Reading. After this reading. Maybe this one 2 maybe coming questions.
Okay.
Reading important this one.
How many questions coming?
Maybe 25.
25.
You passed 20.
You passed 20.
20.
Let me send location to you. You passed 20. You know, past 20, no good.
No good. Teaching 4 hour. Your teacher.
Teacher, you come here teaching.
Teaching. Have the room, big room. 50 people go 4 hour teaching. This have the teacher.
1 minute. I share. But no, okay, I open location.
Okay.
What happened?
को नहीं मालूम है यूनिवर्सिटी
हाँ भाई
हाँ यूनिवर्सिटी में उधर खड़ा करो थोड़ा उधर खड़ा करो जाओ अभी रोड में पूरा रोड ब्लॉक हो गया
Okay, this one.
Only here.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Where are you from, sir? Cameroon. You new here?
Yeah, new Sharjah.
Before where?
For Dubai. Before only Dubai. Straight up first is only this one. So this one finished, 20 question finished. Now going to road.
Road. 10 class parking test. Parking. 10 class finish parking pass. Go to highway. 10 class.
10 class highway.
Pre-test pass. After final test, have the police. Yeah.
Police say go.
Go. Tail right, left. Slow. Don't confuse. Take the right.
When he say right, you go right.
Right.
He say left, go left.
Check the mirror, side mirror. after signal goes something like this holder as the head shoulder.
When you check like this, you want to go focus.
Focus. Easily pass. No, don't you lazy same hope fail. As in confident. Good. Automatic?
Yeah.
Manual.
Automatic.
Good automatic.
I don't want to take manual. Maybe manual problem. You know, manual clutch, fire.
Theory test have the headphone. You listening right answer. Four option have the
Okay.
listen.
Okay, have questions and have answers. You choose answer.
The answer. Four option. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, something. You listening have the headphone. Listening you understand. You choose the language English, Arabic, Urdu. 2 days, 3 days, you reading. This signal reading.
Signal reading.
Same, no entry. Junction. Keep the right, left. Same.
Okay. Only focus on signal reading. You go classes now, you go test now, you pass.
Yeah, pass. No. Final test only 3 minutes, 2 minutes driving. 4 people inside. Every driving 4 minutes, 5 minutes class.
Final test.
Final.
You drive only 4 minutes, 5 minutes class.
Right, left, U-turn, roundabout, bus class. Sometime I'm this school. One time I'm fail.
One time you failed this school.
Police go to left, so tell him I'm coming car. I'm going. Oh, wait, stop. Break.
Police school.
Empty, you go. Not empty, not going.
No going. When you are entering roundabout, you have to wait. Empty, you go. No empty, no going. How many class you take practical?
20 class. 10 class parking test, 10 class pre-test, 10 class final test. 30 class.
30 class. How much total sir paid?
Company paid.
Yeah, but how much paid here?
Money?
Yeah.
Maybe 5,000. Company pay 5,000, but salary.
But got too much now. No stress. Yeah, right. After this building.
People This building?
Yeah. How much? 15?
Maybe.
Have you left
60.
anything behind? Have a nice day.
One dirham not have?
No, have 1 gram. Only room for 1 gram.
One dirham. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, no one 1 gram no have?
No.
I have too much cash in the room.
Okay.
I take only 1 minute give you.
No problem.
Because too much cash in the room I have.
Yeah.
Maybe 20 dirham have cash. Let me take 1 dirham give you.
Okay. उसँग 100 रुपियाँ उठाएको थियो होइन 100 रुपियाँ उठाएको थियो अनि मैले चाहिँ 4 रुपियाँ चाहिँ कोइन्स दिन लाग्यो नदे मसँग छ चेन्ज भनेर फेरि गएको छ आउनु त आउँदो रहेछ होइन मान्छे चाहिँ राम्रै रहेछ होइन बिहा कम्पनीको रहेछ बिहा कम्पनी चाहिँ धेरै राम्रो कम्पनी हो यहाँ चाहिँ होइन म चेन्ज गर्छु छ भिसा भनेको छैन भन्छ मलाई थाहा नै छैन म त्यो डिपार्टकै मान्छे होइन भन्छ भन्छ ल साथीहरू अब यहाँ आइयो होइन यस राम्रै टिप चाहिँ लागिरहेछ है अब यहाँबाट अब फेरि अब कता गइन्छ भन्ने थाहा छैन अब हिँडिरहँ है मिठो मिठो टिप चाहिँ लागिरहेछ 100 रुपियाँ नि नराम्रो छ होइन जस्ट राम्रै टिप है त्यहाँ आएछ ल त्यसलाई माग्नु पर्यो ओके हेभ अ नाइस डे सर वेलकम सर साथीहरू भिडियो के कस्तो राम्रो लाग्यो है प्लिज लाइक कमेन्ट सेयर गर्न बिर्सनु होला है साथीहरू इङ्ग्लिस चाहिँ जान्नै पर्छ है